In this video, I'll show you how to link WhatsApp Business to Facebook step by step. Linking your WhatsApp Business account to Facebook allows customers to contact you directly from your Facebook page and helps you manage conversations more efficiently. First, open the Meta Business Suite app or visit the Meta Business Suite website in your web browser. Sign in with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Linked Accounts or Business Settings. Select WhatsApp Accounts, then click Add or Connect WhatsApp. Enter your WhatsApp Business phone number and verify it by entering the confirmation code sent to your phone. After verification, choose the Facebook page you want to connect with your WhatsApp Business account and confirm the setup. Once the accounts are linked, the WhatsApp button can appear on your Facebook page, making it easy for customers to start a chat with your business. You can also manage customer messages through Meta Business Suite. If you don't see the option to connect WhatsApp, make sure you're using a WhatsApp Business account and have the latest version of Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.